So you want to upscale your photos up to 400%, 800%, remove noise from your photos, AI enhance, remove background, retouch, all in one click. Well, in this video, I will share an AI tool with you where you can do all of these things at one place and in one click. Here we have hitpaw Photopia, where you can do all of these things in one click with the help of AI, and it works both on Mac, Windows, and also you can try it online. It has some unique features. This AI tool is all-in-one AI photo editing tool where you can enhance quality to whatever percentage you want, generate AI art, generate AI portrait. You can remove objects, retouch your photos. You can erase background in one click. Also, this tool auto-processes everything, so you don't have to manually do these things, and with a better and faster speed. So let's try this AI tool and we will figure out and try all of these features. So let's open the app. I have downloaded in my Windows. And here you can see you can AI enhance, AI generate, background remover, AI photo editing, retouch, and do a lot of things. So let's start with photo enhancer. We will upscale the things and see how it goes. So let me select a logo here, and you can see it has literally a very much degraded quality of this image you can see. So let's upscale this. So in the right you have to click on upscale model, and in the bottom you can select the percentage up to which you want to upscale it. So I have selected 800% and let's see how it goes. It actually has a faster speed, it upscaled the image in just 5 seconds, we can say. The quality it has improved is amazing, we can say. I have never seen this kind of quality giving any AI tool in terms of upscale. Here you can see even on the zoom, the pixels are not dropping off. So yeah, it has actually a good quality. You can preview these things and just export the image. It just exported the image in one click, and just click on fold open and you can see the image. Let's try with another image. Here I have an image which is actually having a very much poor quality, we can say, and let's try the upscale model with this as well. And this image also has a face, so let's see face model, how it goes. So you just have to click on denoise model if you want to denoise the image, and upscale also. I have clicked on upscale 800%. It actually has a faster speed as compared to other tools in terms of processing the thing. It has actually upscaled and enhanced the quality more than expectation. Here you can see the background is clearly visible in the after image, and also this tool actually works good, I think. So till now we tested 2 images with this and we have got better than expectation results. So let's try background remover. Let's see how much time it takes to remove the background. Here I have selected an image of a bird, and this has removed the background in one click, we can say, even in less than 5 seconds. And you can directly click on export and you can save it. For this Photopia, they have collaborated with TensorShare and they are giving 90% off on Black Friday sale. This sale will be available for the next 23 days, and you can grab these things. For the tools, you can see there is 30% flat off on all the products, and also like on the Photopia, you will get it only for $62 for yearly plan and $90.99 for perpetual plan. And also there's a tool hitpaw Voicepia that will be completely free. The price has dropped to 0. And for the top products, they are giving up to 75% off. And if you purchase the bundles, you will get 90% off. So this is an amazing deal and you should grab it as soon as possible. I will drop the links in the description, and also on the comment box I will pin the comment of the link, so you can just go to the link and take your purchases, whatever you want to buy, the Photopia or any other tools. So let's try with the retouching. Let's retouch the image and remove the objects. Suppose whenever we have any object and we want to remove some stuff in the images, so you can directly select. So here you have 2 options. You can select with the help of AI, and you can also select with the brushes. So here I have selected an object on the television, and you can see how clearly it has removed it. And now let's remove the frame at the top, and you can see it has clearly removed this frame as well. So I think this retouching feature is also an amazing thing that this tool has. So you can do all of these stuff and play with it, and this tool is actually very much helpful for the graphic designers or for the photographers. You can try this tool for free You can download it for free. It has a free plan as well, and then you can move to the paid plan as per your requirements.